screen. Today you are going to do more than I do. Show my screen anyway. My screen is visible.
Yes.
Let me go to the presentation. Okay, so what we were telling is like we'll be working on the prompt engineering basics, like what are the types, those details we'll teach you today. Okay.
Yeah.
Um, Okay, leave the Power BI. Right now, we'll focus more on testing because Sogania is in there, but I'll tell about the database as well. We'll give her exercise as well. Uber is not attending the classes today. Go through the recording. I'll be putting in the share drive and putting into the community. Okay. So for the batch, and I'll putting over there. Go through this, and if you're coming to the next class, make sure you're doing that exercise. Exercise I'll share after the class. Okay. Got it? Okay, now I'll start off with the prompting. Tell me, like, what do you think prompting is? In Gen AI, what do you mean by prompting actually?
Something we have to retrieve the data from the database. So,
Okay,
mhm.
similar to that. Okay,
Um,
so when you say database and all, it will be like you write the queries. So when it comes to
mhm,
SQL or Oracle, we'll say
mhm,
as a query, SQL
mhm,
query. When you're typing in the chat box, it is a input message. Here, it is a prompt. When you're chatting with the AI chatbot, or you are going to talk to a particular AI tool, how we are going to make sure you are getting the desired output. So they have mastered this, how we are going to type this, how we are going to present yourself. So that is what we are going to learn here. There are some four techniques so they mentioned, but there are 8 types. Okay, there are 8 types. What we say is like simply you got a bug. Okay, you got a bug in
mhm,
your system. You're going to the chatbot and say fix this. Simply you're telling. So a single word or a single line doesn't have any context. Just you're telling what you want. A single line you're telling. So now the chatbot will not understand anything, but it will ask you. There are multiple open AI tools. I told you right, Gemini, ChatGPT, OpenClaw and Claude, and this there are multiple types. For example, if you take the Claude, we are going through Claude only, right? So if you take the Claude,
mhm,
Claude will ask like, what do you want me to fix? It will give you choose the correct answers. It will ask multiple questions. If it is ChatGPT, it will put a summary to you, saying like, I can understand that you want to fix something, but what you want to fix it. If you give a summary of it or you give me a inline comment, I'll understand. So there are multiple types. Okay. So there are like we'll see only four main types, which is going to be very useful for us now. Okay, which is zero shot, few shot, chain of thought, role, and persona. Okay. In one liner, I'll explain all this. Then we'll go on deep. Zero shot is like giving only one single word without any context. One single word you will give, or you will give like a single line. Fix this. What is this? When this will start? When this will stop? Something is running in your background. Okay, I can hear the echo voice. Let me check where it is coming from. You're already in mute only. It's coming from my phone. I put it in silent. Okay, a few short and chain of thought. With this topic itself, you will understand. Zero shot means you're not giving a shot at all, but you're asking. Few shot means you're giving few details. Chain of thought is you're making AI bot to think. You're giving a thought, a chain of thought. Got it? COT is nothing but you're asking everything in step by step. Role or persona is like you're giving the role or the person model type for AI to understand. Okay. Quick, well defined task. Okay. This is very quick. Okay. When you are going to ask the AI to complete a task with no example, I'll give you an example. I have found a bug uh, in my application of the system. that is running in the automation. Okay, but there is something called the Java lang error. I'm getting it. Java lang error is a very common error when there is a compatibility issues coming. You are not put a correct version. That time you will get it. Okay, so this model relies entirely on its training knowledge. So it has multi-million data at the back end of it. Okay, at the background it will have multi-millions of data like a library. If you're giving very simple thing, it's going to give you a lot of thing. Iduva, iduva, iduva. It will keep on be asking. It will not understand on what context you're asking. So quick and well-defined task. If you want to do something, you can take it as a zero shot. That needs to be defined very well in a single line itself. You can ask the Claude like, this is what I want, but there is a way of writing the zero shot. Similarly, if you're giving with examples or something like that, you're taking a picture. For example, Rahul is having a picture. Okay, Rahul is having a picture with a white t-shirt and a blue jeans. I want to use the same dress, but I'm going to ask Gemini, take the pic of that guy, and I want to wear the same dress. So you're giving an example. Rahul is wearing some dress. I want the same dress. You're giving an example, okay, and you're telling like, since I am a girl, he's a boy. Make sure I have a slim vest pant, something like a baggy pant. The jean is fitting to him, not to me. But I'm giving a defined structure how I want it. Got it. So that is a few shot you're giving in a one or two liner, saying that you're guiding this kind of format I want, this structure I want, this style I want, this context I want. Okay, so consistent and pattern based. So you follow some pattern, same pattern you're asking like, this is how I need it. You're defining with the example. That is a few shot. Okay. Next is like chain of thought. So chain of thought is something like, you know everything about what you want. For example, you have seen pictures of Gemini and ChatGPT roaming in the internet, saying that a guy leaning on the bullet with a black shadow. Behind there is some fire. On that side there is some beach and water. Something they are trying to say you like, this is how I look. Like I'm so bold, but I'll be very in a dark theme. Something. So step by step, you're telling, I want the picture to be in the dark shade. You can say few shot and chain of thought. What is the difference? Okay, few shot is something you'll give only two example. Chain of thought. See, while you start learning this Claude, right? You will redefine, or I will say like refining or redefining your prompts. You're giving one liner, then you saw the output. You are not satisfied with it. Okay, then you are giving the next step. Similarly, if you're giving a pic, you want to make it more perfect. So step by step you are giving. That is one way you can take if it is a image. Okay, but here if you want to do step by step, you are asking. There is some, for example, you are creating a PPT. You are creating a PPT. I was telling like, first I want to be in a subtle color, not too dramatic. Okay, then you're giving step by step context what each and every slide needs to be like. So every detail you are giving, you're increasing the accuracy, and the complex task also is going to end very very fine and fast, because the output you will be very accurate because you are giving every detail step by step. That is the chain of thought prompting. Okay, I'll tell you the difference one by one. I'll show you, then you have to do it. Okay. Role or persona, assigning a specific role. For example, I'm giving you a piece of code. I'm giving a piece of code. If you're going to ask the Claude, saying that, Claude, uh, you role as a tester, create some test cases. Okay, role as a tester, define this code and give me the output. Then it will act like a tester. It will give you functional test cases, and it will give you what are the edge cases, what are the compatibility testing, security testing, what are the types of testing we do as a human. Those details will be there in the library of it. So it will think like a tester and give. Take the same code piece and ask them to think like you are a developer and do. Think like you are a DevOps engineer and do. The answer will differ each and every time. Okay. Now we'll start off with the example. Before that, I want you to share the screen so that we can start from there. Can
Yeah,
we?
sure.
Yes.
Yeah, let me share my screen.
Wait, I'll come out of it.
Mhm.
Where are we? We are on the Google Meet, right? Yeah.
Mhm.
Give me a minute.
Are you able to hear my screen?
You're sharing, right?
Yes.
Uh, Go to Claude.
Oh, second.
You fixed your browser, right?
Yeah, actually, the Avast antivirus only causing that issue yesterday.
Okay, okay. No worries, no
Once I
worries.
disabled it, I can able to download this.
Super, super.
Mhm.
Presenting, annotating. Windows 11, right?
Hmm.
Back at it, importance of Python. You put your name now. Oh, you gave the name as importance of Python. Ah.
Yesterday, I just gave that prompt.
Hey, that is name, yeah. That is not prompt. That's
I
what I
just-
was thinking. What importance of Python? Okay, no worries. We
So
will rename it. You're going to be a Python star in the future. Yeah, this is the new chat now. I will give you a simple prompt. Okay, where is my PPT? Wait, I'll go to the chat box. Okay, put this and see what is the output you're getting it. If I do na, again you have to do it again. So better you do. The, hey, don't laugh, man.
Okay, okay,
This is
okay,
how
okay,
we
go
used
ahead.
to practice, right? Yeah.
Okay, okay, go ahead, go ahead.
I pinged. How come you're not getting it?
This is a chat box, right? Or
Ah,
something.
uh-huh. You got it right. Swaminathan, you got it right. You didn't get other people and all got it right. Swaminathan, did you got? You said hi. Okay, I'll ping again.
Mhm.
Wait.
Mhm.
It is coming
Mhm. No,
now.
now I got it.
Mm.
So directly, should I paste it here?
Mm, mm, mm. This is a zero shot prompting.
Mhm.
Just you're asking, you're not telling anything. Okay, simply you're telling
Mhm.
write 5 test cases for a password reset feature that sends a verification link to the. You didn't give the application anything, but it is giving you 5 test cases.
This is
Okay,
randomly selecting
randomly
Mhm.
for any email address. If you are
Mhm.
asking, it will give. So this is said to be a zero shot. Okay, you got
Oh.
it right. Now,
Mhm.
I'll give you one more example.
Mhm.
After this third and fourth, you have to give me two more example for a zero shot.
Mhm.
It can be very simple as well. I pinged. Hmm. So you're asking the edge cases. That is why it is giving minimum, maximum, one minus one, one plus zero. Got it?
Mhm.
So it is giving you a detailed analysis of how it can be. It is just giving you the how you can test from the numeric part. Come down. It will give the test cases. So
Mhm.
it is still running out of range. Negative test cases. Non-integer. Wow. Non-numeric. So this is a zero shot. Now from your
Mhm.
end, give me a very vague zero shot prompt. You can take your time and do
Mhm.
just one or two
Mhm.
examples. Time. பாரு எடுத்தவொடனே web link தான் page creation தான். You will create it, Rahul. I'll not create. You will create it. I will guide you. It's
Mm-hmm.
easy actually. Oh, restaurant open பண்ண போறீங்களா? Restaurant. This is enough. Give. We'll see how it is asking.
Mm-hmm.
This is enough.
Just இது மட்டும் போட்டுக்கோங்க. Create a login page.
For what? அதுக்குள்ள டிசைனிங் ஸ்கில்க்கு போயிருச்சு. This is we say a zero shot. Okay. Simply you
Mm-hmm.
gave a create login page. We'll see if it is asking the questions to you. It didn't ask you anything Java, HTML,
Mm-hmm.
CSS,
It
nothing
will
it
ask,
is asking.
it will ask us to choose from the drop down or something else, right?
Mm. It will ask you like choose the correct
Mm-hmm.
answer. Mostly it will ask, but we'll see what
Mm-hmm.
is the output. It differs for each and every time, but we'll see
Mm-hmm.
what happens this time.
Mm-hmm.
Simply it has created a login page. Okay, this I think
Mm-hmm.
this is from HTML. I think some other page it has created for you. Okay, so this is
Mm-hmm.
zero shot because you didn't mention anything. It is creating on its
Mm-hmm.
own whatever available from it from that end. Okay, from it library or the background whatever information it has based on that it will create it. Okay, so this is a
Mm-hmm.
zero shot. Now you understand, right?
Yeah,
Without
yeah.
any proper information or whatever you give, it's going to give you like that.
Mm-hmm.
Similarly, for database also we have. I'll give you this.
Mm-hmm.
No, SQL we don't discuss now. Let's go to the few shot prompting. I'll give you
Mm-hmm.
two examples. Okay.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Means you are giving few details here, right?
Mm-hmm.
Ah, go down, go down, go down. That's all. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
So now, what you understand from this, like you are giving a very accurate details with examples. See,
Mm-hmm.
I am asking for a valid login with where I can enter my credential. I'm expecting the dashboard to be loaded. You're asking
Mm-hmm.
just three test cases for a PDF only upload. Okay. So it is giving a pakka 10 MB file to be uploaded, and the upload is what they are telling, and you're entering the credential. So whatever you're giving based on that, it is working. This is said to be a few shot. Means you're giving an example. Now you give a prompting with few
Mm-hmm.
examples. Take it as creating a website or test case or whatever you're comfortable with. Give with few
Mm-hmm.
examples and see like how it is behaving. Hmm. Super.
Mhm.
You didn't say how many test cases, but see how many it will going to
Mhm.
give you. Mm.
It will give a more
Mm.
number of cases, right?
Yeah. Now it is asking you the
Mhm.
questions.
Mhm.
Now you answer it. Answer it and then go to next. Login page, file upload, both combined. Okay. So here also it is asking for a few examples, like what format
Mhm.
you're asking, what kind of steps you're asking. So now you got it right.
Mhm.
Hold on, how many test case we'll see? I think it's still loading.
Still is asking. Oh, okay, okay, okay. Now it's loaded, right?
Ah, that's all. So this many test cases they has given. So this is what we say is the few shot prompting. Few shot
Mhm.
prompting is nothing but it will give you like detailed information based on the things you are asking.
Mhm.
Got it? Now you understood, or you want to write few more?
Yeah, understood right now. I will check
Okay,
after some time with few prompts.
no
Mhm.
worries.
Mhm.
Now chain of thoughts. Okay, this is one example for chain of thoughts. I am giving you the chain of thought
Mhm.
example. You have to tell things step by step, and you're asking for a test strategy for a multi-factor authentication of a system. You're asking to cover all the flows, failure scenarios, edge case. This is for the testing. Okay.
Mhm.
First step, it is understanding the scope. Come down. Then it is defining what are all the user flows.
Mhm.
This is what we say as step by step.
So it will give each and every step, right?
Exactly.
Mhm.
See, each and every step it is giving. For example, you are going to a new project, Rahul. Okay.
Mhm.
There they're asking to create a strategy document. Now
Okay.
I'll
Mhm.
give you thing to write accordingly. You are into no, I'm not typing anything. I'm asking
Mhm.
you to do a test
Mhm.
strategy document
Mhm.
for a new healthcare project. Okay. This healthcare project testing is going to be you're going to do unit testing, application
Mhm.
testing, automation testing, end-to-end testing,
Mhm.
pre-prod testing, and finally BVT.
Mhm.
So give me the scope analysis and strategy document for this. Use the step-by-step process and create the prompt.
Mhm.
Yeah, you need to tell in the prompt itself. You need to tell it needs to think step by step and provide the details. Provide the things in detail. Test strategy and scope analysis. Strategy document. Test strategy document.
So we can mention everything, right? Unit testing.
Hmm.
Mhm.
You have to mention in steps, so it will give you all the details.
Mhm. Then I can have functional testing also, right?
Hmm.
Mhm.
Yes, you can. It is step-by-step analysis. Yes, yes, please. I told you about something else as well.
Mhm.
All the
Mhm.
testing, BBT testing, everything, and scope analysis also.
Scope analysis and then we.
That's it.
Mhm.
You didn't mention step by step. Ah, you mentioned okay.
Mhm.
Wow.
Still it's loading.
Actually, compared to the other
Mhm.
AI tools, what I felt
Mhm.
from this Claude is like it is giving a very deep analysis of each and everything you're asking.
This is far better than other
Comparatively, technically,
comparative.
this is very strong.
Mhm.
Swaminathan, are you recording this from your end? Hello, Swaminathan, you there? Okay, fine, thank you. It is creating the code, okay, in such
Mhm.
a way. See, this is how agentic AI works. This is a large language model.
Mhm.
Based on the input you gave, it is writing the code. So, as a JSON file, it is creating something. So, it will go and pick the data from the library and then it will fetch you the output. Got it? It can't
Mhm. Yeah.
directly go and take it like SQL query, how we are doing. You're querying
Mhm.
something from your taking. Similarly, here in agentic and all, how they will do means they will make the workflow in such a way it will create an input file. It will go, it will give that as an input, then fetch the data for you. So now it is creating the
Mhm.
input file. That is JSON file.
Okay. Mhm.
Yeah. It's still creating. Now it is creating the Word document for you.
Okay.
Hmm. Super now.
Hmm.
Now download this and view this how it looks. So you got this in 2 minutes, right? 2 minutes or 1 minute,
Yeah.
1.5 minute. You got it.
Definitely, yes.
Now